noodles. Okay, buksan po natin yung lagayan ng soup bowl.
No, open
Then,
it.
yung spaghetti noodles, ilalagay
Open
po
the
natin
big one.
siya sa
That one.
plato.
And put in the plate. Go, baby, go. You can do
Then,
it.
ikalat-kalat nyo lang po siya using the fork. Sige, Kuya Sis, paki-assist yung mga kids natin.
You want me to help you? Okay, very good. Okay, pour it there. Okay. Listen, just wait na. Remove na. Okay. Spread it, spread it.
Ayan.
Not it yet.
Nakalat na po ba? Nililigin check niya po ata kung totoong spaghetti.
Not yet. Listen to the instruction of Ate Kim.
Okay, next po, pag nalagay na po natin yung spaghetti noodles, is yung spaghetti
Oh,
sauce.
pour it.
Ay, natapon.
Oh my gosh.
Ayan, lagay lang po natin
Mix
yung
it.
spaghetti noodles. Be
Ah, not
careful
yet.
kasi mainit po yung mga yan.
Not yet, not yet.
Kuya Yuli, oh. And after yung cheese naman po.
The cheese, the cheese.
Nauna na.
No, it's dirty na.
Ayan. Okay, wait lang po. Wala mo na pong kakain. I-check po ni Ate Kim. Tinaktak eh.
Not yet.
Ayan.
No.
Lahat naman po sila is tama yung pagkakagawa. Kaya naman po, meron po silang sticker.
Yay.
Okay, sige po. Iwan na po natin yung mga spaghetti nila dyan. Padala po ako ng mga KB passport.
Bring your passport to Ate Kim. No, you bring it.